Samsung Galaxy S25 series has a fantastic new feature, but that was not surprisingly revealed by Samsung. It'll excite amateur filmmakers and content creators alike. That is, you can record video directly to an external USB-C storage. This is a feature introduced by the iPhone 15 Pro in 2023, and now it's available on the Galaxy S25 series as well. If you're looking to create high resolution content like shooting 4K for platforms such as YouTube, the internal storage will fill up quickly, especially if you get the base 256GB variant. With this new feature, you can record videos directly to external storage, saving the hassle of running out of space mid-shoot. This feature works around wide range of videos such as videos, pro video, portrait video, time-lapse, slow motion. This means you can record in the same modes as usual, but not with the limitations like which Apple have. Apple, you can only use ProRes recordings, but in Samsung you can use all types of videos. This feature is available across all the S25 models and not just the Ultra variant. Why is Samsung not advertising this? It's very weird.